Making friends is very important. At the playground, the more kids you know, the more fun you'll have. And when you need help, you know you can count on someone. As we grow up, we meet a lot of people. New teachers, new classmates, and new playmates. That's why it's important for us to know how to introduce ourselves. And that's what we're going to learn. Introductions. Let's begin by watching this example. Hello, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. My name is Sam. What's your name? Hi, Sam. My name is Kate. Where do you live? I live in Makati City with my family. My parents and my sister, Jane. We also have a dog. Her name is Pepper. How about you, Sam? I live in Quezon City with my parents and my siblings. I have a mom, a dad, a younger sister, and a younger brother. Their names are Nina and Patrick. Do you have any pets, Sam? Yes, I have a cat named Thor. It was nice to meet you, Sam. It was good meeting you too, Kate. Bye. Bye. So that was Sam and Kate introducing themselves to each other. Notice how they talked about themselves and asked polite questions. Now, let's go see how you would introduce yourself to a group of people. Good morning, class. Please welcome our new student, John. John, why don't you come up here and introduce yourself? Good morning, everyone. My name is John Garcia. I live in Quezon City. My hobbies are playing basketball and playing video games. My favorite food is fried chicken. Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you too, John. When introducing yourself to a group of people, say something interesting about yourself that they don't know yet. And that's how you introduce yourself to one person and a group of people. Be nice and polite, and you'll gain new friends. It's quiz time! What is the name of the boy? What is the name of the girl? What kind of pet did Kate have? What about Sam? Where does Sam live? What about Kate? What was John's last name? Can you name one of John's hobbies? What is John's favorite food? Here are the answers. Sam. Kate. Kate had a dog. Sam had a cat. Sam lives in Quezon City. Kate lives in Makati City. John's last name is Garcia. John's hobbies are playing basketball and playing video games. John's favorite food is fried chicken. Like this video and click the subscribe and bell buttons below for more TPK Learning videos. If you have any thoughts about today's topic, leave us a comment below.